Control Q brings you to Quick Analysis tool that facilitates over 20 ready-to-use analysis features, ranging from quick data highlights via Formatting tab, quick data visualizations via Chart tab and Sparklines tab, quick calculations via Total tab, and quick creation of pivot table and named table via Table tab. The features provide a range of analysis options based on the type of data range. Additionally, a preview of result is displayed for easy selection of the desired outcome. This facility can significantly expedite analysis process. And we can grab it by using just one shortcut, Control Q, making it as the most luxurious Excel shortcut ever. Once you enabled it in Excel Options menu, Quick Analysis will pop up just after a data range is selected. You can then utilize the feature by clicking with the mouse, or by pressing Control key. Another option is to use the Control plus Q shortcut, which is the method I used. To choose feature options, you may use either your mouse or keyboard. If opting for the latter, simply press the Tab key to enter the tab, followed by the right or left arrows accordingly to select each available feature. And to navigate between different tabs, press Control plus Tab. To understand Quick Analysis easily, I have prepared a simple data as an example. Initially, we will explore the features available on the Formatting tab when it applied to various data types. To begin, select the text data type in column B. Then there are options to highlight text contains, duplicate values, unique values, and equal to. Please note that selecting over each option will display a preview of the results. This will be very helpful to determine what needs to be highlighted. If you want to remove the preview, simply select Clear Format. Now let me select Duplicate Value. Press Enter. The result is, there are instances of duplicated data that require further review. Next, if we choose the date data type, the available feature options will differ. This time we can select Highlight for dates occurring last month or last week, and then dates which greater than a certain date. For example, the dates after December 15th. There is also Highlight for dates which less than a certain date, and dates equal to certain date. You just need to determine which highlight you want to use, or select Clear Format to remove the result preview. Now we select the data number. For this type, we can create highlight with data bars, color scales, or icon sets. We can also highlight the numbers that are greater than the average. Or we can highlight the top number within a group of 10% ratio of the total. After selecting the desired highlight, we can correct the rule of conditional formatting by pressing Alt plus H plus L plus R. Or we can go directly to the conditional formatting command on the tab bar and select Manage Rule. Moving on to the second tab, Chart. We need to select the data first, after which various chart types will become available. Starting from Line Chart, Clustered Columns, Scatter, Stacked Area, and Pie Chart. If you need other chart types, select the More Charts option. Next is the Total tab. First, select a data range that only contains numbers. There are 5 features in blue for row calculations, and 5 features in yellow for column calculations. Let's select first the options for row calculation: Sum, Average, Count, Percent Total, Running Total. Then options for column calculation: Sum, Average, Count, Percent Total, and Running Total. Let's move to the Table tab. To begin, press Ctrl plus A. Then, we can create a named table using Table feature. And we can create Pivot Table from 4 different options. And select additional types if needed. Once we select the desired type, we can use the Pivot Table editor to refine the table further. Next tab, Sparklines, facilitates the creation of mini chart. Select the number data range. Then there are 3 feature options available. The first one is to create a mini line chart that visualizes the data trend of each row. And then we can also use column to create a mini bar chart. The third one is win or loss, which allows us to differentiate between positive and negative value more easily. Negative values are represented by the color red. Excellent, we have successfully completed the tutorial. If you found it helpful in improving your Excel skill, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. We encourage you as well to watch our other videos. Thank you and have a productive day.